a 360-degree walking tour outside San Diego Comic-Con 2019. I'm Chris, this is Yellow Productions. I do travel videos that are fun, informative, and entertaining. This video, it's part of my series on San Diego Comic-Con 2019. If you want to see more videos, tours inside, things to do, live streams, make sure to subscribe. Find my link in the description below to my playlist for all of my Comic-Con 2019 videos. In this video, I'm going to be walking you down Fifth Avenue. Just behind me is the convention center. By the way, I'm going to put this camera up really high because you don't need to look at me. This way you get a bird's eye view of everything here in the Gaslamp district. Fifth Avenue, it is the heart of downtown San Diego, and they close this off pedestrian only, 2 blocks. So if you're coming downtown, this is kind of the place to come. Behind me, there's always these people that come to worship Jesus, and then people come to worship Satan, and earlier there was the Jedi Council. This is also a great spot to see cosplayers. There's always a bunch of cosplayers that want to come to Comic-Con but don't have Comic-Con badges, and so they often hang around on this street right here. So take a look around. Being a 360 video, you don't just have to look in one direction. You can spin this video around in every direction and see in 360 degrees. To my left, there's some Starfleet Academy folks. There's the Peanuts store where you can buy limited edition Peanuts merchandise. Many of the stores on this street are special just for Comic-Con. On my right is Groot and Captain America, and somebody playing some music next to them. And I'm not entirely certain what his music is, but he brought a suitcase and everything to play it. Up ahead, there's what looks to be like a really fancy television production, because this guy he's not Superman. I can't tell from behind what superhero he is. Maybe Thor. He's Thor. Microphone, this and that, talking out there all about Comic-Con. People signing a release so they can get on that television show. People out here for UNICEF. Oh, on my left on the sidewalk, and you'll probably be able to see them in about 10 seconds as they come by. I'm going to come on the sidewalk so you can see them close by. Are 3 people dressed as Marge. Marge from The Simpsons, complete with yellow skin and blue hats. Right on, WWE. This guy's totally happy. Good deal. They're Homer fans, of course. You would think Marge would be a Homer fan, wouldn't you? People are all out here advertising their signs. Thursday, the first day of Comic-Con, so this is the least busy the street's gonna get. This street's gonna get super busy on Friday, extra busy on Saturday. If you come out here at night too, it gets pretty crazy. A lot of the people that are working Comic-Con in the entertainment industry come down here to have a drink, to unwind. The Gaslamp district is kind of home to San Diego's bars and clubs, and so this is where it's all at. And these restaurants, they've all got like outdoor seating, and so it has a pretty neat vibe during Comic-Con because you can just kind of sit out here and people watch. If you like to people watch, you know, I say Comic-Con is kind of like a mecca for nerds and geeks, but it's also a mecca if you like to people watch, because all the nerds and the geeks and all the cosplayers and everybody, and then people giving out things. Like in front of me, there's a guy giving out sci-fi bags, like on like roller skates that are kind of like the skateboard roller skates, right? I mean, it's a party. People wearing sunglasses, people as Disney characters, Disney princes. Those sci-fi bags are big bags, so, you know, you don't need a shopping bag when you have a really big sci-fi bag. And this is not everything that's in downtown San Diego. There's a lot more outside the convention center. If you go to the Petco Interactive Museum, you go down to see the Amazon stuff. If you want to see more of everything down here in a normal 2D video, well, a link in the description below is to my full playlist on everything Comic-Con. Look for my much longer video that's not in 360 but in regular 2D, where I walk kind of the length of the convention center and I show you everything that's in the Gaslamp district on the Harbor Drive side to do outside of the convention center. Well, I won't say goodbye because I'm going to see you in one of those videos.